Hi everybody, welcome to our product spotlight here at ISA. Today we're going to be talking about the 4903-9238. So I'm back here in our lab and I've got in my hands actually the 4903-9238. As you can see, this is a red wall mount horn strobe. It looks like an older version. This is one that we actually have the capability to repair and we actually keep stock of here, Reconditioned. This is one of our reconditioned units. It's already been through the testing procedures here at ISA in our repair lab. Now if you have these, you're looking to send them in for repair, our repair time is only about 3 to 5 days to get them in and get them right back out the door to you. Now say you're replacing your system, you're going away from Simplex. We have interest in buying back everything that you have with that system, anything from the CPU boards, power supplies, down to items like these, the horn strobes. So let us know if you have any that you want to send in for buyback. This is Nick Dumeyer. We'll talk to you again soon.